I want the check, check, ooh, I want the check, check, ooh, I want the check, check, I want the check, I want the check.
All right, guys, one thing that you really need to have in this business in order to be successful in this business is you have to have confidence. You have to have confidence in who you are. You are not whoever you were yesterday. You are sitting on a throne of money. You are the buyer, all right? You are the investor, okay? So when you're talking to these people, you can't be speaking like some little meek cat in a corner who's, begging for a bowl of milk, all right? You have to be speaking to these people like you're sitting on the iron throne, except for it's not an iron throne, it's a throne full of money, okay? And you're wanting to buy their property. And you're confident within yourself that not only can you buy this property, but you can buy this property and every other property out there. So have confidence when you're in the phone, because in sales, confidence is what people look at. Just like in the animal kingdom, weakness is preyed upon. If you show weakness on the phone, or if you show weakness in front of a seller, they're not going to take you seriously, and they think you're some weak little gazelle that's going to get pounced on by a lion. In this world, you're the lion. So be the lion, be confident, and stand strong and know true within your heart that you are the buyer. You are on a throne of money, and you're ready to buy every house out there.
I want the check, check.